Ever wonder which dog breeds pack the most punch? Let's dive right in. Topping the list, the Pit Bull, famed for strength and tenacity. Next up, Rottweilers, loyal but forceful. Third, the German Shepherd, a protective powerhouse. Fourth, Doberman Pinschers, agile and assertive. Fifth, the Bull Mastiff, a gentle giant with a strong bite. On the sixth spot, Huskies, beautiful but fierce. Seventh, the Alaskan Malamute, a robust sled dog. Eighth, the Boxer, energetic and strong. Ninth, the Great Dane, a colossal canine. Last but not least, the Akita, a reserved and dominant breed. Remember, it's not the breed but the upbringing that makes a dog dangerous. Stay informed, stay safe.